You've worked your whole life. Now you're facing serious health issues and everything you've built seems to be slipping away. Maybe you need to quit your job. Maybe file a claim for disability. You're in real peril, but it gets worse because you probably don't even know the half of it. Hey, I'm Michael Gilbert. I'm a former Social Security Administrative Law Judge. As an ALJ deciding disability cases, I've learned many unpleasant realities about the Social Security disability process from the belly of the beast. When I left SSA to represent the truly disabled, I saw firsthand what happens to working people on the edge of the disability cliff. People who don't know what they don't know. I saw folks struggling to work, dragged down by the relentless weight of their worsening disabilities. They've been told things, wrong things, incomplete things, inconsistent things. Who told them? On one side, lawyers and other disability representatives. On the other side, SSA employees. Crazy, right? What can you do when a so-called legal expert doesn't actually know the law? What can you do when SSA will not follow the law, much less their own written policies? Because once you've heard from them, it's natural to rely upon them. Now you've relaxed. Now you've taken your hands off the wheel, and now it's too late. And that's a heavy thing, because no matter who's at fault, it's you who pays the price. Did you know that the Social Security Disability Program was designed for average people without the need for lawyers? We could do a whole presentation on that, but that's for another day. What you need to know now is, if you're disabled and you end up not doing a thing or doing the wrong thing, it could trigger years of delay or cause you to lose your case entirely. Now let's quickly address something that I'm sure many of you are thinking about. Can you in particular, handle your own case today without a lawyer? Many can, some cannot, but nearly everyone can watch this series and get invaluable information that will help them keep one hand on the wheel of their case. Everything we present here is legitimate, directed to those of you who are truly disabled, and designed to help present the real you. Now, what do we mean by the real you? By real you, we mean how your real life disability truly impacts your ability to work. If Social Security does not, for whatever reason, your case is complicated or nuanced, if Social Security does not see the real you when they decide your case, you stand an excellent chance of being denied. And now we'll talk a little bit more about why this is. Have you ever heard the phrase, "you're just a number to them"? I want you to know why this isn't just a throwaway insult, a cliche about SSA, because it's not. Think about this. The Social Security Administration is among the biggest bureaucracies in the world. SSA thinks about numbers all the time. How many cases do they process in a given time? How much money are they spending per case? They need to track things. So they have a number for everything. Your employer has a number called the EIN, the Employer Identification Number. You've got a number, your Social Security number. And if you think this is no big deal, you should think about this. Internally, Social Security even refers to you not by your name, but as a, quote, number holder, or NH. I'm a number holder, you're a number holder. Why is this a problem? It's because referring to real people as number holders both reflects and creates an attitude of dehumanization. That's a sinister byproduct. As a result, when someone in the bureaucracy gets pressured, whether from time or oversight, someone's looking over their shoulder, or a rumored lack of government resources, they crunch the numbers because it's a whole lot easier to ignore a number than a person. In fact, it's the easiest thing in the world to collapse your faceless case into the 9-digit Social Security number. Therefore, and here is the point, it will take a deliberate effort to show them the real you. But keep watching, because we can help.